did you know the motorcycle you think is modern was already built in 1904? Fabrique Nationale de Belgique, a Belgian weapons factory, created the world's first four-cylinder motorcycle over a century ago. It ran on a shaft drive with no chain at all. It had smooth power delivery and mechanical balance that engineers would spend decades trying to recreate. Before most roads were even paved, they had already solved it. Shaft drive, four cylinders, refined engineering, all of it, in 1904. Being first and being famous are almost never the same thing.